This video was generated using the latest powerful Q3 video generator inside the Vidu AI platform without using 5 multiple tools. Yes, Vidu AI generates video and synchronizes audio together in one shot with perfect lip sync and no distortion. The best part is it keeps your character consistent in every single frame, which solves one of the biggest problems in AI video creation. Video currently supports English, Chinese, and Japanese, making it accessible to creators worldwide. Welcome to ZaraStudioz, where I plug you to AI tools that makes you work smarter. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are my real MVP. Now let's dive right into the video. Grab the link to this platform in the video description, and it will bring you right here. To get started, look at the top right corner and click on Try Video. Once you come to the home page, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, this platform has a lot of amazing things you can do with it. You can also grab some ideas here from any of those templates you are seeing right here. Let's go straight to business by generating our images first. So come to the left hand side and click on generate image. And right here, you can generate images in two different ways: reference to image and text to image. Text to image is self-explanatory, but reference to image means that you can add 2, 3, or 4 different AI images together to generate a totally new, different image entirely. We're going to start with text to image. So I'll click here, click on text to image, and I'll paste in my prompt right here. This prompt, I want it to generate a realistic image of an American man with short hair, well-clean beard, wearing a casual outfit. Then I want it to give me the front view, the side view, and the back view all together in one image on a plain background. I'll scroll down. At the model side, I want to use Nano Banana 2, so I'll select that. 1080p resolution is fine. You can go as high as you want. I want it in 16:9, and I just want one image. So I'm just going to click on generate. And as you can see at the right hand side here, our image is generated. And here is the image it generated for me. I wanted it exactly like this so that it will help me maintain consistent character when I want to convert these images into video. It will help the AI understand my character better and keep the character consistent. So this is my first character, and I use similar prompts to generate this exact second character, which is the female. As you can see, it follows the same format. And this is the location where the action is going to take place. I just used a very simple prompt, image of a beautiful empty coffee lounge. And I used Nano Banana 2, just like we did a few minutes ago. And I was able to get this image. So to download any of your images, look at the bottom right corner, you'll see this download button. You can download your image. Just click on download and it will download that image onto your device. So I'll repeat that for every other image here. Now that we have generated our individual images, now I would want to generate our different scenes. So I'll come to this left hand side here and click on reference to image. Here we can combine 2, 3, 4 different images together to form a totally new image on its own. So I'm just going to click on images right here, and I'm going to attach the image I need to. That's the first one, second one, and the third one, which is the. So now, as you can see, all the images are tagged right in our prompt box. Now I'm just going to add what I want them to do here. So here is the prompt I use. Putting my cursor here, I just tag that image 1, which is the woman, is seated opposite image 2, which is the man, inside image 3, which is the coffee shop drinking coffee. Okay, click on model, and I'll be using Nano Banana 2 for this. Every other settings is okay. And now our very first scene is ready. And as you can see, everything I wrote in the prompt is actually here. They are seated opposite, drinking coffee and the likes. So I'm just going to click here to download this. So now I want to add another person to this exact scene with everyone here included. So all I have to do is delete all this. I'll click on image and attach this particular image. I'm going to attach the next person I want to introduce to the scene, and I'll give it the prompt. Okay, so I have to delete the previous prompt. So image 2 walk up to the couples in image 1, and I'm going to leave the settings the way it is and click on generate. And guys, the man has been inserted. Now all you have to do is to repeat the same process for any of the images you have and how you want them. So I'm just going to do that. Now let's move to the video generation aspect. At the left hand side, well, I'm going to click on image to video. So I click here and I attach the image. Now that the image is attached, I'm just going to paste in my prompt right here, And this is where you can select the duration. I'm going to use the entire 16 seconds. We'll scroll down. The video model I want to use is Q3 because it gives multiple shots, audio to video synchronization, and lots more. So I'm going to leave every other settings the way they are and click on generate. And guys, the video is ready.
I love you.
Right? Of course I know.
And I will always do anything to keep you happy.
That's why I chose you. I love you, sweetheart.
As you can see, it generated different camera angles for us without messing up our characters. And that is one of the reasons you have to get your image generation right. Now let's generate the next scene. So now I'm just going to cancel this and upload the next scene. Now the image has fully uploaded and I paste in my prompt here. And I'm going to choose 14 seconds as the duration I prefer and leave the rest of the settings like this and hit the generate button. And guys, our second video is ready.
Hi, gorgeous. Can I have your phone number? That's very rude of you to walk up to my woman and request her my presents.
The video actually followed my prompt exactly the way I said it should. The man walked up to the woman, asked for a phone number, and her husband replied that was very rude. Why would you ask for
rude of you to walk
presents? And that is it. And I'm going to do this for the next couple of scenes. And guys, the video is ready. And this is what we
Honey,
have.
don't fight him. It's not worth it.
I guess that's my cue to leave.
It actually did well. The video is nice. No distortion, nothing, except for the second missed punch. Okay. Now, this can also be replicated using the reference to video function. So to use that, come here and change this to reference to video, and we have it here. If you click on try sample, you'll see that there are so many samples here, meaning that you can upload image of a man, a horse, and a location. And the man will be riding the horse in this location. So now we're just going to upload some of our reference images. I'll click on image right here. So this is the image, the man, the woman, and the coffee shop. And immediately you upload your image, it automatically tags the images here. So you can just indicate what the images does. So I wrote image 1 and image 2, started working out of the coffee shop, which is the image 3. Camera tracking while they laugh and talk together. Okay. And the model we're still going to use for this is Vidu Q3. And I'll leave it at 8 seconds and I'll click on generate. Every other settings remains constant. So here the video is generating. And as you can see, the reference to video nailed it perfectly. The man, the woman, the coffee shop, and they are actually stepping out, smiling at each other and walking out. Every other person in the background, there's a reflection. Everything is perfect. No distortion at all. To download any of your videos, the same place you downloaded the image is where you download your videos. Just locate and click on this download button and it will download this automatically onto your device. Now let's generate UGC content using this same platform. We'll go back to image generator and I'm going to be using the text to image feature. So now I've imputed my prompt, and for the model, I'll be going with ChatGPT. And I'll leave the rest of the settings the way they are. Click on generate. And guys, this is the image. This image is so cute. You wouldn't say this is not a real person. We're going to be using this image to create a UGC content right here. So to generate the product image, I just imputed this prompt here. Generate a set of skincare products, including vitamin C serum and others. And the name should be ZaraStudioz. And I use ChatGPT, and this is what we have. This is really beautiful. Now to use this to generate a video alongside the influencer. So I'm just going to click on continue creating, and it will add it to my references right here. I want to add this the influencer as well. So I'm going to click on continue creating, and it will add this right here. So now I'm just going to add my prompt and make the influencer use the product. So now I've imputed my prompt. I'm going to scroll down. Model Vidu Q3, and I'll leave it at 16 seconds. I'll leave every other settings like this and click on generate, and let's see what we have. And guys, the video is ready, and this is what it looks like.
Get ready with me as I tell you about the day I went yesterday. So I went out with the amazing guy I met only.
This is actually beautiful. Everything looks fine. The video looks amazing. So either you want to use it for storytelling or to create UGC content, you can do as you like, generating amazing content on this platform. And this is the video we just created together.
I love you.
Right? Of course I know.
And I will always do anything to keep you happy.
That's why I chose you. I love you, sweetheart.
Hi, gorgeous. Can I have your phone number? That's very rude of you to walk up to my woman and request her my presents.
Honey, don't fight him. It's not worth it.
I guess that's my cue to leave.
My honest opinion, if you want absolute control over the kind of videos you create, then Vidu AI is the perfect tool for you because it gives you the perfect control on every aspect of your video production. So if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. I personally respond to all my comments and I will respond to you as soon as possible. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified each time I upload an amazing video tutorial like this one. Before you go, do what, check out some of my previous videos and you definitely won't be disappointed. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video.